drawn. Like for example, this one, he paid $12.99. $12.99, and he can actually sell this for $50. This one. And this other one, Games Drones, this one, he also paid this one $12.99, and he can actually flip this for $150, I believe, right? Okay, nandito na naman tayo sa Thrift Store Eco. Sa Eco, Citrus Heights po. Dito sa Sacramento. Yan, naisip pwede na. Ayan. Excuse me. Meron kaming hinahanap. Looking. Good. Here are the shoes, second-hand shoes. Adidas, $49.99. $49.99 Nike? No. That's very expensive, even though it's already second-hand. Very, very expensive. $49. Ayaw tayo dyan. Kasi Mr. Yan mga crockpot, oh. Rice cooker. Second hand. Huh? Oh, they have color.
Yeah.
So
25, yellow 50, and
yellow 50 and orange is 75.
Yep.
So we have color discount. Today is
all three of those.
Oh yeah. So if any tags that's come with color, so they have a discount. It's kind of nice. But to be honest with you guys, the shoes here are expensive. So like for example here, Jordan. No? Jordan? You wanna sell Jordan shoes? No. Jordan shoes is expensive. And look how much the price is this. Oh wow, $14. So I need this one for my workout. I need this one. It's only $5.99. So I need this. A glove for the workout, guys. Ayan, may mga ano sila, o keyboard. Mga monitor at saka TV. Yung TV po ay so $24.99 yung TV. Ayan. Ayan. Yung TV na yan. Flat screen TV, $25. Ito po ay mga sistema ng mga heater. Yan, mga heater yan guys. Mga portable heater. Hanap tayo ng mga authentic bag po. Yung mga bag na medyo mahal. Kung minsan kasi makita natin dito eh. Minsan ibinta natin $24. Ayan, mga short nila. Parang mga bago lang siya. Kasi organized masyado. Maraming tao ngayon. Grabe kamahal yung mga damit nila nito, guys. Parang hindi siya thrift store ba? Mahal-mahal. Hindi natin idea na bibili dito kasi ang mahal-mahal talaga. Katulad nyo, no? Isang pantalon. Yan. $20 na siya. So, grabe ang mga presyo dito, guys, sa thrift store or Goodwill dito sa sa California po. Yan ang mga bag nila, guys, is $12.99. Yan. Walang presyo ito, baby. $9.99.
Thing that you use to check the car.
So these are our stuff, guys, that we can sell at eBay. This is what we get from Eco and Goodwill. So this one, and for example, this one, knob right here. This one is like for the towel holder, $4.99, and you can sell it for $25 in eBay, at least.
That one is like 60.
This one. This one, we actually pay this one for $10, and he can actually flip this for $50. 60. So this one is a battery charger. I actually found this one. It was expensive. It was $15, $14.99, but he can actually flip this for $70. So for example, guys, this one is the old faucet. Not old faucet, this is used?
No.
Okay. Oh, this is not used.
That's another 70.
So this one, guys, is actually a set of faucet. So this one, it's still, and it's not being used because you can see, you can see it's still wrapped in the plastic, never been used. It's just the plastic is damaged, but he paid this one for $10, and he can sell this for $70. Like for example, this one is, I don't know what is this, a car radio, I believe, right?
Yeah, like
It says as car stereo. He paid this one for $7.99, and he can actually flip this for $50, right? So this one, game drone, HBO drone. Like for example, this one, he paid $12.99. $12.99, and he can actually sell this for $50. This one, and this other one, games drones, this one he also paid this one $12.99, and he can actually flip this for $150, I believe, right? $150
at least.
Yes. Yeah, like that. So it's Mr. knows how to sell that stuff. We have a lot of stuff. I'm just gonna give you guys an example. This one, the pan. Okay, this one, he actually paid this one for $1.99, and he can actually flip this $25.
25,
Yeah, $25. So why not, huh? How about this one, babe? This one is $9.99. It seems like it's a little expensive.
That one is 35.
$9.99. Do you get discount for this one?
No.
Green, no? Okay, it's actually $10, and he can sell this for 35. So this is not bad. We have a little bit item in here. I don't know, he has so much, 199, and I don't know how much he would sell, but there are so much.
$10.
Yeah, so if he will buy this one 199, he can sell this for $10. Eh, why not, huh? So that's all the items that we did today. Actually, we did. Usually my husband only will do that, but
There's a few more things in there.
yeah, there's so much stuff. But all of that we spend $150, and he can actually flip that for way more.
That one dragon is $150.
Yeah, this one is 150 for equivalent for all that stuff. Okay, guys, thank you for guys watching for our vlog today. Making money, guys. Making money for the wife.